By registering for any of the website, the most tedious thing that we find is feeding CAPTCHA. But what if I say that by feeding CAPTCHA or by solving CAPTCHAs, one can make money out of it? Sounds interesting, right? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Sketcher Art and Technology. And today, in this video, our team is going to demonstrate about how one can make money by solving CAPTCHAs. So stay tuned with us. So to begin with, how to earn money by solving CAPTCHA code, we need to go to any of the web browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. And before moving further, let me just give a brief introduction about what CAPTCHA code is. CAPTCHA stands for Completely Automated Public Turing Test to tell computers and humans apart. This means whenever we are signing in for any of the things, the CAPTCHA supports the processor to distinguish between who is signing up, whether the user who is signing in is a human being or is a robo. So this concept was launched for this purpose only. And to earn money by solving CAPTCHA code, we need to enter a website that is TimeBucks. TimeBucks खुल चुका है. इसमें आगे हमें लॉगिन या साइन अप पूछ रहा है. Since we are creating it for the first time, let me just go for sign up. और sign up के लिए भी Facebook भी एक ऑप्शन है या sign up manually. Let me just sign up. I'm signing up using Facebook ID. And it is asking me to continue by using my channel's ID. Yes, continue as the sketcher. We need to make a password for this website too. So I'm going for a password. And by using my channel's ID of Facebook, I am signed in into TimeBucks. यहाँ पे further it is asking for an agreement about the terms and conditions and the privacy policy. Here I am clicking on I agree to it. And यहाँ पे ये जो earn tab है इसमें जाने के बाद, and this is the dashboard of my account. Here we can get various earning methods, and right now my wallet balance is $1, and for CAPTCHA I need to go to this earn tab. Under this earn tab there is an option for content, and in the content thing the option there is available is CAPTCHA, and for every 15 CAPTCHAs that we successfully complete, we will gain $0.003 or 3 cents for 15 CAPTCHAs that we solve successfully. So let us just begin with it. Total CAPTCHAs done today is 0 since we are just beginning with it. Total CAPTCHAs remaining until 3 cents credit is 15, and there is no limitation of solving the CAPTCHAs. You can solve as many as CAPTCHAs as you want. And for continuing, let me just click on this that I am human and I am not a robo. And the first thing that is asking is please click image containing a boat. Out of these images, we need to just click on the images that contains a boat. Next, contains a boat. Okay, boat. See, I have clicked all the images that was containing a boat and submit. Total CAPTCHAs done today is 1, but I have earned $0 or 0 cents for this because we need to solve. There are 14 remaining. Once again, I am human, submit. Now again, we need to go for images that contains a boat. Yay, 2 done, and I need to click on submit. 2 done, 13 remaining. Now the images that contains a car. For this, see, I have already solved 14 CAPTCHAs, and this is the last CAPTCHA. अगर मैं ये सॉल्व कर लेती हूँ तो I'm going to receive $0.003 cents, and अभी तक के मुझे sweepstakes कितने मिले, that is 28. ये बेनिफिशियल होगा मुझे आगे के सॉल्यूशंस के लिए. इन इमेजेस से मुझे मोटर बस सिलेक्ट करनी है, so I find these images are containing motor bus. Next, there was a mistake, मुझे फिर से करना होगा. Submit. So after solving 15 CAPTCHAs, my wallet amount is $1.003 cents. And this is how, using this TimeBucks.com website, you can earn by solving CAPTCHAs or by even watching YouTube videos. And so, as we have seen, by solving CAPTCHAs, my wallet balance is $1.003 cents, and this is the dashboard. This is displaying the persons who are playing near my place or near my location and who have completed their targets, like someone has completed target 6 minutes ago and so on. And here are the various tabs, and if you want you can go for the payments also, like you can redeem the wallet balance, and for this you need to go to the payments tab. So after solving so many CAPTCHAs, we are back with the dashboard thing of TimeBucks, and in the dashboard we have seen that it shows how many of the persons around my place or around my location are been playing. And in the payments, under the payments tab, here is the main thing, like you currently have no payments. Since I have told earlier also that we need to make at least $10 points. Once you are into this $10 thing, then only it gets redeemed to your account. And the mode of payment is any of the international payment modes like Payeer, Bitcoin, AirTM, Tango card, or directly into the bank transfer. And the transfer is being done on every Thursday, but the cycle is of Tuesday to Tuesday. Like for example, if it is a Tuesday today, and if you are solving the CAPTCHAs today, then how many CAPTCHAs that you solve till next Tuesday will be counted as 1 week slot. And whatever you gain in this week will be redeemed to you on the coming Thursday. So this is how TimeBucks work. Hope this video or this website was worth watching. So it was interesting, right? I hope everyone who has seen the video is going to make a lot of money out of it. For many such innovative and technical videos, stay tuned with us. If you all have not yet subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to it. And we keep waiting for your feedback, so revert back to us in terms of feedback. Comment in the comment section below, and do take very good care of yourselves. And by then, have a very happy money making time. Take care. Bye bye.